we're going to make this delicious pork with Sprite. Let's get started. Let's cut our pork. I'm using pork shoulder. Any size you want. Now my pork is nicely washed. Let's season it with black pepper and minced garlic. Mix it nicely and marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Butter. Let's add our pork that we marinated. Cook it down until it's brown in color. Now we can add our soy sauce, oyster sauce, and tomato sauce. Let's mix it nicely. Now we can add our Sprite. Let's cover. Let's cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes in a low-medium heat. Green onions. Wow. Just making sure our pork is nicely cooked. Delicious pork with Sprite. Green onions. This is it, guys. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Until next time.